Hi there. Today I will be explaining about how to write a complete book with the help of Jasper. First, prepare everything which a book has. Let me open my notepad, and here you can see I have in the title for my book, plus an author who wrote this book. And then below you will see some description and context. The first one is Introduction, and these are the lessons which I want in my book. And my book contains on 5 lessons, and the last 2 things are conclusion and some discussion about author. So make a template like me, then with the help of Jasper, we can write the book. And once you have everything, then sign in your account and tap on Start a Conversation. Once you will click on it, a bar will be open. And here we can start a conversation. The first thing I will ask to Jasper is, I want to write a complete book. I want to write a book. And I have a template which has a book name, lesson, and author name. Jasper replies, okay, now what I need to do is I will copy the book title and description. The first thing I'll paste is book title, author, and book description. And then I'll ask to Jasper to analyze it. Then I will paste the lesson one by one. So Jasper replies, it sounds like an inspiration and engaging concept. The book seemed to center around the Arthur transformation journey, with each lesson acting as a stepping stone in his growth. Now, after analyzing each things, now time to create the whole book. I will open my notepad and will paste the first lesson. After pasting, I'll ask to Jasper to write a detailed story based on that given information above of my book. After it, I will click on this arrow. And as you can see, Jasper starts writing a detailed story on my first lesson. Do the same with all remaining copy, and paste in Jasper. Now, I will copy the transformation of author. The last thing is about author. Now everything is ready, 5 lessons and author data. I want to get it in document file. So I'll click on this option, Open in Document. Everything is ready. Simply copy each and single lesson and paste in Microsoft Word and publish it. And by this, you can write a whole book within a day or within 7 days with the help of Jasper. And that's it.